Hi, what will be the value of a and b given that we have 3 divided by a plus 4 divided by b equals 5? Let's have it to be solution. Then let's multiply through by ab. So here we have ab, then multiply by 3 divided by a plus 4 divided by b equals ab multiplied by 5, the left hand side. Now open the brackets. We are going to have here to be 3ab divided by a plus 4ab divided by b equals 5ab. Then from here, this and this will cancel. This and this will cancel. So we are going to have only 3b plus 4a equals 5ab. Then from here, let us take the whole of this expression to this side. So we are going to have 5ab minus 3b minus 4a. Then everything should be equals 0. Then from here, we must know that we want to factor 5b from here. Let us factor 5b from here. So when we factor 5b, so here will now be 5b. Then here will now be 5ab divided by 5b. Here will be a. Then from here, minus 3b divided by 5b. Here will now be minus 3 divided by 5. So, and here we're now left with minus 4a. Everything equals 0. Then from here, let's do some manipulative and see what will happen. From here, we have 5b, then multiply by a, 5b into bracket of a minus 3 divided by 5. So, from here we have minus 4a. Then from here, let us add 12 plus 12 divided by 5, then minus 12 divided by 5, and we set everything to be equal 0. We believe that this will cancel this, so we are going to have our previous equation that we have here. Now let's now see what will happen. Let's continue our solving. So now from here, let's take this minus 12 divided by 5 to the other side. So we are going to have 5b into a minus 3 divided by 5. Then we have minus 4a plus 12 divided by 5. Taking this one to the other side will be plus. We have here to be plus 12 divided by 5. Then let us now factor 4 from here. So and see what will happen between this and this. So here will also now be 5b into a minus 3 divided by 5. Then when we factor 4 outside, here will also be minus 4 into 4a divided by 4 here will be a. Then when we try to factor 4 from here, here will now be minus 3 divided by 5 from here. Then everything equals 12 divided by 5. Then from here, we want to do something reasonable. We can see we have a minus 3 divided by 5. A minus 3 divided by 5 is common. Let us factor it out. So we're going to have a minus 3 divided by 5. Then everything here divided by this, we're going to left with only 5b. Also, everything here divided by this, we're going to left with only minus 4. Then everything equals 12 divided by 5. So we want to eliminate this 5 here. Let's multiply through by 5. When you multiply through by 5, so here will now be a 5a, because when we multiply through by 5, it will affect this. Then when you also multiply this one by 5, it will also affect this. And here will now be 5a minus 3. Here will now be 5b minus 4 equals 12. Equals 12. Now, from here, we want to do something reasonable. We know that we can have 1 times 12 will give us 12. We can have 12 times 1 will give us 12. We can have 3 times 4 will give us 12. We can have 4 times 3 will give us 12. We can have 6 times 2 will give us 12. We can have 2 times 6 will give us 12. So all this, if we are to consider the positive integers, all this will give us 12. Now let us speak it one after the other. This implies that when we go along with this, it implies that 5a minus 3 will be equals 3, and 5b minus 4 will be equals 4. That means we go along with this and see what will happen. So from here, let's consider this one. We have 5a minus 3 equals 3, and we have 5b minus 4 will be equals 4. So we don't want a fraction. From here, taking this one to the other side, we have 5a equals 6. So this one will give us fraction solution. So we don't want this. So we cancel this one. So we cancel this. Let's go along with this one. That means we have 5a minus 3 will be equals 4. And 5b minus 4 will be equals 3. So taking this one to the other side, this will be equals 7. So we don't want this as well. We don't want a fraction. So we also cancel this problem. So let us go along with this. It implies that we are going to have 5a minus 3 to be equals 6. Then from here, when you take this one to the other side, we have 5a to be equals 9. This will also give us fraction. So it will give us fraction in form of decimal. We don't want this solution as well. So we also cancel this. So let's go along with this as well and see. So we're going to have 5a minus 3 to be equals 2. So from here, we are going to have 5a equals, taking this one to the other side, we have 5. And from here, our a will be equals 1. Wow. Then the second one will be 5b minus 4 will be equals 6. So from here, we have 5b to be equals, taking this one to the other side, here will be 10. And this implies we're going to have our b to be equals 10 divided by 5, which equals 2. So for the first one, we have our a to be equals 1, our b to be equals 2. So we can see that we have a comma b to be equals 1 comma 2. So for the first solution, let's take it as this. Now, let's also consider this. Let's also consider this and see what will happen. So by considering this one, we have 5a minus 3 will be equals from here 1. So taking this one to the other side, we're going to have 5a equals 4. We don't want a fraction that will be to decimal, so we also cancel this. Let us also consider this one. So we're going to have 5a minus 3 will be equals 12. From here we have 5a will be equals, taking this 3 to the other side, plus 12 will be equals 15. So we have our a to be equals 15 divided by 5, which equals 3. So we have our a to be equals 3. Likewise, 5b minus 4 will be equals 1. So we are going to have 5b minus 4 to be equals 1. So taking this one to the other side, we're going to have 5b to be equals 5, 1 plus 4. Dividing through by 5, this will cancel this. We have our b to be equals 1. So therefore, we also have another solution to be a comma b equals, our a is 3, then our b is 1. That is if we consider the positive integers. Considering the negative integers, we are going to have another possible value of a and b. So if you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more maths tutorial videos. So therefore, we can declare that we have, for the positive integers, we have the first one to be equals a equals 1 and our b equals 2. Bye bye.